Right, so I have a real quick tip for you. If you guys ever buy a pet bunny rabbit, there's a really good way to keep your rabbit healthy. Lots of egg-cercise. Doesn't that just crack you up? You know what I hate to do? I hate to have to poop every single day. It's just so beneath me. Get it? Because you poo down below? Now, did you guys know that if a cactus was to ever dress up in a tuxedo, it would look amazing? That's because they are always looking sharp. Do you want to know why I would never be afraid of a zombie apocalypse? Because I'm gonna be in my living room. Here in my garage, just bought this new pile of diamonds and emeralds. But you know what I like more than diamonds and emeralds? One single cobblestone. It's really good.